Okay guys, it finally came. Justin, what are you unboxing?
I'm unboxing my new Nikon D7000. Ooh, wow. Yikes. Oh wow, there's a case. Nice little lens. A lens. Some lenses. A tripod right here. Lens. No lens. Probably no lens. More lenses. See. Oh, look at this. The camera itself. Wow. Oh yeah, started kid.
Oh my god!
Whoa. Memory card.
Someone's excited.
Oh my god!
Wow.
It's here, it's finally here.
Oh, memory card, memory card. Let us fuck the thing. I don't even know. Okay, it's great. Okay, we are Singapore, Minnesota. It's 2016, whatever, 20 16, whatever. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's a book right there. Oh, wow, it's a... Oh, CD-RAM?
Drum roll. Lens. Ah, it's beautiful.
Cord. Nice little cord. Uh-oh, here it is.
The sweet baby.
Welcome to the family, kid.
Aww.
Yikes.
What? Oh my gosh. Well, happy birthday, Justin.